Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, enough of this. So anyway, yeah, my my dear old brother, half brother and sister got me this Godzilla 1964 kit. As you can see, clearly from Japan. Can you believe that? This is Japanese text. You see, Gojira. So, without further ado, let's check out this. Sorry, check out this. By the way, I have known of Godzilla for most of my life, but thanks to James Ralph's Godzilla-a-thon, seeing that on YouTube, I've since become quite a big fan over the past few months. But enough talk. Let's get this box open. Come on, open you. Okay, no, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, just great. I take it out and the whole thing starts falling apart on me. Mirrored. Ugh. Ah. Yes. Ah. I'm trying to get it on, but as you can see, this arm keeps falling out. This leg. Damn. Come on, attach, stupid Japanese action. Oh, good. And this tail was also detached as well. Now this, as you can see, is based on the model shown in 1964's Godzilla vs. Mothra. No, sorry, Mothra vs. Godzilla. And I think it was featured in Ghidorah the Three-Headed Monster, which was the first Godzilla film I ever saw. So as you can see, it's surprisingly mobile. Especially with the arms, the tail, and the head and arms. However, I can kind of move this, but I'm not going to because I'm worried they'll fall off. So here we have it. Here it is, Godzilla Here it is, Godzilla 1962. Thank you for watching, and have a Merry Christmas to y'all.